There we go. Rocky, Rocky. Gotta hold on, buddy. Hold on.
Get your butt up on there.
He's like, no, I want to rock it myself. Rocky, 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 Rocky. Good job.
Rock.
Mason.
Rock it. Don't fall off.
Slippery seat.
How you gonna rock it? You're a no-hander? Woohoo!
No hands. Mason. Hi, buddy. Is that fun? That's pretty cool, huh? Maybe Dad will rock it for you. Rocky, 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 Rock. Rocky, 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 Rock. Good job.
He's like, I'll let go and go backwards.
Good job, buddy. Yay! That's pretty cool, huh?
See, yeah? Do you see Mommy? Look at
Mason,
Mama.
over here, buddy.
Look at Mom.
TV's on. Hey.
Look at
He's
Mom.
like, no. Hey, over here. Mason. He's like, no, I don't want to. Is that fun? Do you like your tractor? Good job. Rocky, Rocky, good job. You can figure that out pretty quick. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.
Good boy.
Good job. You can do it yourself. He has to like scoot over on one leg so he can touch the ground over here. You're so cute. Say thanks, more, and more far. I like my Rocky tractor. I'll turn off the TV. Oh, TV's off. Hi. Oops. It's very handsome. Whee! And it spins too! Oh! Can you make it rock? Mason. Mason. Can you make it rock? Rock, rock, rock.
No. You gotta put one butt on there. A full butt.
Well, he goes off of it so he can put one foot down here. It's fun stuff, huh, buddy? It's like, okay, I'd like to get off now. Hold on, I think you can do it. Kind of. Almost. Say thank you, we love it. Thank you. Mason.
He's smiling.
Of course he is now. Mason. All right.
He bumps his head on it. You bump your head on the handle?
That's cool stuff, huh, buddy? It's like, how do I get on this?
I want this handle out. I want to play with this stick.
Oop!